That scheduling options is what we're interested in. Then you click on the scheduling option. Hi guys, good morning. Okay, today I want to show you guys how you can schedule posts on Facebook. I do see people say complain that oh, I've been busy all day, so because of that I could not post. I've been busy all day, so because of that I could not post my business and all that. So I want to show you how you can schedule your post. You can even schedule posts for 1 week. Yes, how you can schedule your post for on Facebook so that later, even when you are not online, the post will just once it's time, it will just upload. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you guys. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook. So you click on the app and you log in. So when you log in, this is what mine looks like. It will ask you what's on your mind. You click on that, what's on your mind, like you want to make a post. Okay, so when you click on it, it will bring out this interface. Now you type in what you want to post. So let's use what should we post now? Okay, the easiest way to make money in Nigeria as an undergraduate. Okay, so let's use this topic. So this is the post we want to make. So this is it. So after typing what you want to post, then you check if you want to add pictures, if you want to tag anyone, just the normal way you do your posts, whatever you want to do to it before posting. So when you're done, you click on next. Okay, it will bring out this interface. Okay, so these are the options you see. You can see your post, scheduling options. So that scheduling options is what we're interested in. Then you click on the scheduling options. Okay, so when you click on scheduling options, it will show you post now, schedule later. Okay, so we click on the schedule later. We are not posting now. So when we click on schedule later, it will bring out the calendar. So this is what the calendar looks like. So if we want to post it today, we click on the 4th of March, which is today. That's today's, this one is talking about the day. Then when you click on the day you want it to publish, then we'll come to the time. This is hour, this is minute. When you click on the the hour, that's the time you want it to publish. But have it in mind that when you are trying to schedule a post, the time difference between when you schedule that post and when it will upload on its own should be like 35 to 40 minutes. Yes, 35 to 40 minutes, because if not, it will not schedule, it will not upload. Yes, it won't even be able to schedule it. That's just it. So when you click on that the hour, okay, so let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, when we check the time we did this video, I think it was 7:40 something. Now we want to upload it at 7 let's use 7:50. Let's see. Now on the hour we are using 7:50. Okay, now you see I cannot schedule it. It's still on post now because of the time difference is not up to that 35 to 40 minutes I told you guys about. So now let's go back and change the timing. Yes, so now we still go back to the date, still the same 4th of March. Now the timing. So here now we are going to make use of 8:30. Okay, so you see now the scheduling option is already highlighted because the time difference is between 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to click on scheduling options. That means we are trying to go back. So click on the scheduling options. Okay, so when we click on it, it will take us back to, okay, it takes us to this interface, which shows that from the scheduling options, you will notice that the post has been scheduled. because the scheduling options we are having 4th of March, sorry, 3rd of March, 8:30 a.m. So the next thing is to click on the post option, and you see that your post is scheduled. So that is how to schedule your post on Facebook. So even when you're not online, you can wake up in the morning, even at night, schedule the whole post for the day, even for 2 days, as long as you want. I think you can schedule a post for like 29 days, yes. So you can schedule your posts, and you go about doing your day to day activities. You don't have to be online for it to be published. So even when you're not online, your post will be published. You don't have any reason not to post your businesses online again. Thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you.